Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I picked these up the other day. M&M white cheesecake. And I am intrigued. I love cheesecake. I worked one winter for Mother's Cheesecake up in Riverside, New Jersey. My aunt used to make a really good cheesecake, and my youngest daughter makes a couple of different cheesecakes. She makes a really good New York style cheesecake with the ricotta cheese and sour cream, and then she does a couple cheater versions. And but I mean, cheesecake is it's cheesecake. They're almost always good. So got a lot to live up there to, M&M's. They've been coming out with so many new flavors. But let's see what we got. We got 3 different colors: a white, beige, pink, or no, beige peach. I don't know. I'm colorblind. And pink. I can tell there's 3 different colors. Now let's see what we got. Hard candy shell. It's an M&M. Very sweet shell. Very sweet. It's candy, so it doesn't have a cheesecake consistency. And I'm getting white chocolate, not cheesecake. I don't know. My brother says my taste buds are burned out. Maybe for the hot stuff. I can still taste sweet with no problem. These are sweet. I mean, I love cheesecake. Don't get me wrong. These aren't bad. I like white chocolate too. I'm just getting more white chocolate. Get it in your mouth. I'm just getting more white chocolate than I am cheesecake. Even just the tub of cheesecake mix that you can buy where you get cream cheese. It's got that's got a vanilla and a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of sweetener to it. But you can still kind of taste the cream cheese underneath. I'm not getting that. Definitely not New York style. Doesn't have a tang of sour cream on the ricotta. Maybe a little hint. I'm really getting just white chocolate. And that's not bad. I like white chocolate. These aren't bad. I just don't think that they're cheesecake. Don't take my word for it. Try them for yourself. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around your social media, that'd be fantabulous. If you want to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll have links in the description box wherever that is on your device of choice. I also have links to similar videos. And you'll find my email, my snail mail, and all that good stuff. You'll also find a link to my current giveaway that runs through the end of February 2020. If you're looking at this after the February 2020, it's not running anymore. So go out and share that video, share it around, see if I can be some more subscribers, and yeah. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. We ain't promised tomorrow, people. We ain't promised our next breath. So I see y'all again. I hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all. Bye-bye. They're good. It's not cheesecake.